And going back till the time when it's writing the article, going back, let's see the Reddit strategy as well. So it has done, I mean, two cited Reddit threads which it wants us to utilize. So let's just click over here. So it shows that this is the post which gets cited around Reddit thread, which gets cited around 29 times, and our presence is there or not. We can just, once we run the workflow, if you want to just run both the workflows, you can just click over here and we'll just automatically analyze the Reddit threads for us. So it took around 30 seconds or 20 seconds, and it has come up with this answer. So it says that our presence is not there in this Reddit thread. It gets cited the most, around 29 times, and the workflow is completed. It has analyzed. So competitors mentioned on this thread is Hagen. Competitors mentioned on this thread is Hagen and Creatify. So the competitor data is taken from the competitors table. And here, if you want to read the whole Reddit thread, you can read that as well. And this is a table called how to integrate. So you can just wrap text and you can see. So if you want to add an answer to this one, what you can do is you can just open this Reddit thread. Obviously I'm opening in incognito tab, so it's not letting me open. So this one is opening, and the option to comment is open. So we can just copy this answer and paste it over here. So the next time whenever these LLM models are actually learning from this source, your brand name is already there. So let's see how the content agent is going on. So it's still writing the article. So till the time, let's just do one more task with the outreach agent, because I've shown